Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the glove box assembly on a Jaguar X-Type. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. So what you need to do, you need to open the glove box first. And right here on the front we have two screws that we will need to remove. As you can see, one is right here, one right there. And that's the two that we'll be needing to use. It's a T20 start looking bit like that. And you just need to go ahead and remove the two screws now. Pretty simple so far. Stay with us to see what else you need to do. Those are not very long, and they're inside that rubber seal, as you can see, like that there. And once you get them loose, you can actually go by hand. Okay, and this is what the screw little bolt looks like. And now this one on this side. Now you need to remove this one, as you can see, just like that. And inside the glove box we have two more screws. One is right there on the top left corner and one is on the top right. And those now, they're with the T32, okay, T25. T25 is this one, so a little bit bigger. The other one was a T20 and this one is T25. And when you get those loose, they usually go by hand. So go ahead and remove these two bolts as well. Okay, one of them is almost out, so I can show you what it looks like. They're a little bit longer and bigger than the other one, just like that. Okay, this is the second bolt there, so altogether 4 bolts so far. Alright guys, once you remove those 4 screws inside, now underneath the glove box, if you close it, there is 3 more that we'll need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you what they look like. One is right here, one there in the middle and one in the corner. We got them loose, guys, so we can save you some time. That's what the screw looks like. Just a regular screw with a little bit bigger head, and you need to remove all 3 of them. Okay guys, so after you remove everything, you should be able to pull it out now. It's pretty simple. You need to open it and pull like that a little bit and grab it, and there is a few clips holding it. Okay, you can feel it coming. You need to lift up a little bit and the whole glove box assembly comes out. This is, as you can see, one of the clips right here. And on the other side there is one more just like that. And the whole glove box assembly is right out of there, guys. So that's the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.